Okay, so the project we're going to be doing with this Vengage website, first of all, is everybody on Vengage? Anybody have any issues getting on? No? Everybody good? Okay, cool. With the Vengage website, this is basically a website that you can use to create media posters or flyers. Ooh, yes, I know. Sure, whatever. With this, you can either create something from scratch to turn into either a flyer or poster or some sort of what they call infographic. Basically, it's a graphic that gives information. In here, they also give you several templates that you can start from. You are able to make up to 3 projects at a time. And if you want to make more than that, you're going to have to get rid of one so you can do another. You can only have up to 3 at a time. They have a lot of free stuff in there. Let's do Year of the Dog. In there you can add text, you can add maps, charts, you can add images. There's an area for upload, and then they also give an area, let's see if this works, for a free search. And these are all included with the Vengage system, so you do not have to give credit to Vengage. They already are giving credit to themselves. Like, these are free for you to use. What you're going to do today is create a poster or flyer, an infographic about a certain period in geological history. I'm going to be passing out something you're going to put onto page 39 of your notebook. This does not require you to write anything down. It's already done for you. This is for you to study and use as a reference. In the geological timeline, it is broken up by certain categories. There's large epochs, and then there's smaller eras. In those eras, there are periods. And the periods tell you what happened during that time. When was man, the modern man, first around? When was the first life form seen? When did the end of the Mesozoic happen? I'll give you a hint, it's the end of the Mesozoic. And how long ago that was from today. You're each going to be assigned an era to research. So you may get the Cenozoic, the Mesozoic, or the Paleozoic. And let's see. Your research is going to be based on a certain number of questions. On your flyer or poster, it has to answer these questions. How long ago did your era begin? What are 5 major events that occurred at this time? What life was living at this time, if any? You need to find at least 2 pictures to represent your timeline. If those pictures come from offline, you need to give sources. If it comes from Vengage, you do not have to give sources. You're going to make your flyer look neat and pretty and organized. And any information you get offline for your 5 major events, you have to give credit for. You need to put your sources somewhere on the flyer, whether it's the bottom, the corner. wherever. When you are done with these projects, we're going to be printing them out. And you will be using each other's notes, basically, to create your own notes about geological timescale. So I'm gonna post an area around the room that's just gonna have Cenozoic. And you're gonna be responsible for coming over to record the Cenozoic here. So make sure your information is complete. Work on your research before you work on your flyer. Yes? One more? Okay. Well, no, you don't. There's 2 on each page. So you actually have 1 extra. So did everybody hear that? Work on your research first before you work on your poster. I'm going to choose the best ones from all the classes to create a walk through time in the hallway for everybody to see. And I'll try to put those in color. So I'm going to come around the room and assign you what era you're going to be researching. Once you have your area, you may begin. If you have any questions, please let me know. I do not care if you listen to music on your headphones, as long as you are working. If I feel like you are not working, you're too busy looking up songs, I'm going to take it away. There are a lot of programs out there that use infographics. If anybody ever used like Canva before, does that sound familiar? Canva. There was like 4 that I was going to choose from, but Vengage was probably the easiest one to just jump in and use. The rest of them, I think we probably have to take a whole class period just to explore its features. Does everybody have their area assignment? All right. Maya, take your computer and come up here so you can take your quiz. Anybody else have any questions about what they're supposed to be doing? Okay. This needs to be done by end of class tomorrow. At the latest. I would like for it to be done before the end of class tomorrow so you go ahead and start copying your notes. On my school notes. Enter that code in. It's only 10 questions.